Mom, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? I was looking for you and you weren't at the house. And you said you would be in a study group. Yeah? So this is your study group? Yes, it's my study group. I have my stuff for it, Mom. Okay, fine, I'll go back to the house, but make sure you come back tomorrow. And if you don't come back tomorrow, I will like put you grounded. Okay. It's fine. Just go. You're serious right now. You're not acting like my own daughter. Okay? Like, why should she? Yeah, like, why should I? Just go home. Fine, what if make sure you come tomorrow? She's such a stress. I know. Wait, wait, why don't, wait, you never knew. So why did you say, I know? That's how my mom acts. Oh, really? Oh, yes, she does. Okay. We're in our pajamas, right? Okay, so we're going back to bed. Good night. First, we gotta eat something. Well, I'm gonna drink something. Eat this.